What triggers an IRS audit? How do we know if the IRS is going to audit an estate return?
Well, you have to assume if you're in a taxable estate, they're at least going to look at the return. What's going to trigger it, generally, it's hard to tell. We always been trying to figure out, because if you can figure out exactly how to do the return in a perfect way so they wouldn't pick it up, we would be millionaires at this point because we could just tell everybody exactly how to do it. It's different things that do it. Primarily, it is the return. There's something on the return that's incomplete. We didn't attach something to it. We don't have an appraisal that looks like it's a valid appraisal. We have discounts on items that we've taken on valuation that seem significantly higher than they should be. And when I mean significantly, I'm talking about in excess of 60%, 50%, whatever it is. I mean, if you were down below 50% on your discounts, you're now getting into the arena of legitimate ones. Now, the IRS is going to tell you they're going to be down about 20%. So you may be fighting something on that. But I don't tell people, don't worry about that. Do what you think is right on the return and file it. Income tax returns is different. There are flags there, but on the estate tax, I don't think there's as much there, except if it's just is incomplete. You got things missing on lines that are supposed to be there. I mean, all the little things, mistakes on the returns. I tell you what causes a problem a lot of times is the return. You had a gift and you filed a gift tax return, and the estate tax return doesn't take into account that gift and forgets about it. I've seen that happen multiple times that has happened. So going back and checking to make sure that you pick up all the gifts so that you properly calculate what the liability is for the estate.